Here we are at home. The house is thrashed. The girls have been playing in their car seat box for a while. They've been crawling inside of it, and now they're throwing themselves on top of it and sliding down. Of course, now they're being perfectly still. Whoops. Audrey, you want to do that more? Want to do that more? Oh, smart baby.